2022 Ram 2500. With less than 26,000 miles on the odometer, this pickup truck offers 2 full rows of seating for premium comfort. It's equipped with many extra conveniences right at your fingertips, including Wi-Fi hotspot, satellite radio, 4-wheel drive, heated side view mirrors, backup camera, tinted windows, power driver's seat, pass-through rear seat, rain-sensing wipers, Bluetooth, brake assist, keyless start, keyless entry, steering wheel audio controls, engine immobilizer. We're here to help you find what fits your lifestyle.